Did you know that you can actually earn money by just clicking on emojis? And I bet you all know what emojis are and how they look like, right? By doing so, you can generate up to $150 per day. And what you'll need to do is click on emojis to receive payments straight to your account. Imagine clicking on one emoji and you'll earn $3. The more emojis, the more chances of earning lots of money, and take note, this is absolutely free. And it can be done with the use of a smartphone and a computer. If you have any of these, to just keep moving along with me as I show you how to do it. In a minute, I'll show you how to register and activate your account. And I'll walk you through a number of real-world situations so you can understand how to do it correctly. And I'll offer you a bunch of added suggestions and how to do it perfectly too, and earn an extra $500 during the video. But before we start, welcome to the channel where we teach you how to make money online, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Now let's get back to the video. The first thing that I would like to do is go to the Flatican.com website. You can make money by clicking on emojis on this website. Their homepage has over 3 million vector icons, including huge number of emojis, which are all available for free. You can see all of the icons as well as all of the pictures and images that we can download for free. If I scroll down, this page is where you'll find it. I'll show you how we can use them to make a lot of money online. You can earn money in 2 ways by just clicking on the emojis. Right now, I'll demonstrate the first technique. Then at the end of the video, I'll show you the second approach. For the first approach, go to the top of the website and click on Become a Contributor. You'll then be directed to a flat icon page where you can become a contributor by simply uploading and distributing emojis and getting compensated for it. These 3 simple stages are as follows. The first step is to create a free account, which I'll explain to you how to accomplish in a moment. The second step is to share and upload your favorite icon packs, which should include emojis. The third step is basically our favorite because it allows us to get started getting paid and earning money right away. This is how it works in general. What you will do now is join by clicking this button. You will then be directed to this page where you can register for a free account. People from all over the world can transact on this website. On this page, simply type your username, email address, and password, then click the register button. Next, go to this page which states that we're almost done before clicking the green button to accept the terms and conditions. Be sure you've read all of them. Once you finish step 1, you can continue on to the second step where you make your profile and earn money. The first step is to upload your profile pictures. Simply click on the Browse button right here and then scroll down to offer additional information about yourself. You can add a public username that you want people to see, or you can leave it blank. If you don't have one, click the down arrow in the nation area and pick the country from where you're visiting the website for our professional portfolio and social media. You can select English as the language and attach whatever social media account you have. In case you don't have any other social media accounts, leave it blank and move on to the next step. We're almost ready to begin uploading different images in order to generate a significant number of clicks and revenue. But before you do that, we highly urge you to read the creator's manual. You may use this button to go to a platform where we can read more guides, receive more information, and get more directions and how to start making money on this website. You could just do it, but I'll show you how to do it quickly in this video. All you must do is click the upload button to begin the process, and this will lead you to your personal dashboard within your fresh new account. When you click on the dashboard link, you'll be directed to this page where you can find your username at the top. See how many emojis and icon packs you've already uploaded and see your daily earnings if you move down. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Remember that we are attempting to collect a huge number of free emojis that we can subsequently post on our website and profit from, so go back to Flatican.com site and scroll down to the very bottom of the page to this link, which will take you to a pattern generator. You will then be taken to this link where you can download free flat icon software that allows you to create a variety of designs and patterns using different emojis. Once again, this is a completely free service that you can use on your computer or on your mobile phone anywhere in the world. You may proceed to step 1, which is searching for and locating your preferred icon or emojis right now under the icon section. If you like this icon, you can just click on it and it will appear on the dashboard. As shown here, you can just drag and drop it wherever you want, as well as change its size and rotate it. There are numerous icons and designs from which to choose. Another thing to do is go to the Packs button and go through all the different emojis and unique images that you can use in your design. What we will do right now is go back to emojis and simply click on them. Where you can choose from a range of emojis to use in your design, you can simply repeat the process as shown. Furthermore, you can select from a number of backdrop colors from your public design beneath this icon in the background. And if you like the pink design, for example, we can simply click on it and it will appear on your canvas. It's quite easy to perform and doesn't necessitate any prior technical expertise or experience. You can save it to your phone or computer for free. Once you've completed editing, all you have to do is click this Download Now button right here. Make sure you follow all of the instructions in this video after you've settled on a PNG format. I'd like to use 1000 for the power size. No, I'd like you to choose 4000 to 1000 for the image sizes. Now that you've selected on the format and size, all you have to do is click on this button right here to download the patterns. You can do this on your phone as well. All I have to do now is post it and start making money. I'd like to give you another additional tip now. Click on this search button right here, as well as the random patterns button right here. And the software will assist you in creating some random patterns, which are typically quite unprofessional. So if you want to see the next set of random designs, simply click on this button again, and it will turn and display a variety of random patterns. Not everything is enticing to the eye. For instance, if I think it's particularly pleasant, I could simply save it to my desktop or mobile phone. When you've completed designing your emojis and downloaded them to your phone or computer, go back to Flat Icon Contributor, log into your account, and click on the My Icons tab. You can now drag and drop your file into this box after clicking Upload, and it will be uploaded to this website. So as promised, I'm going to show you a second additional way to make money online by going to Fiverr.com. There are a lot of opportunities available in this website. You can do graphic design, text, video, and animation. As you can see, there are many ways to make money online, but I want you to focus on graphic design in this video. As I click on this button, it takes me to the Art and Illustration subcategory. I'd love for you to have a look at this pattern design since it's a brand new category and it's your chance to make money online with no pressure. Simply click this link to go to this page regarding pattern designs, where you can see how other sellers from all around the world are already making money by simply producing and generating new designs. Because this is a brand new category with limited competition, we can jump straight in with my method. So if one seller is asking $30, consider the second seller who is asking $40 or $50. Don't worry, because people here are charging and offering prices differently. We will head over to this page by clicking on the seller right here. Here you'll see that she charges between $20 and $40. Look at these instances of what we can achieve with a free flat icon software by developing new patterns and making money in the same way repeatedly for a service that entails picking numerous pattern designs. What's more surprising is that she has almost 400 reviews from different buyers. So take a look at the 400 assignments that have already sold out and see who the top sellers are and see how, for example, each project costs around $10 to $20, and she has already made around $8,000 on Fiverr by simply designing new patterns, which as you can see is something that you can do yourself utilizing free flat icon software. It's actually rather simple to do this by simply putting the icon in the right place and changing the background color. As a matter of fact, there are a lot of people who are currently using it. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.